In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add icons to buttons in Webflow. So first in the left panel, click on the Add button and drag the link block onto your layout. Now inside the link block, click on the Add button once again and now add a text block inside it. So here you can name this any text that you want for your button. So in my case, I'm just gonna add next. So next, click on the add button and now drag an image element next to it. Then in the right menu, make all the necessary adjustments until you get your desired result. Now double click on your image block and here add the image you would like to add for your button. And this is how it looks like so far. Lastly, style your link block with background color so you can add color in the left panel. You can also add padding and border radius until you get your desired appearance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!